Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Etherscan. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is installed and ready in your browser. You'll need to access its settings to add a new custom network. This process involves inputting specific details that allow your wallet to communicate with the Etherscan blockchain. It's a straightforward procedure, but precision is key for a successful connection. To add the Etherscan network, open MetaMask and click the Network drop-down at the top. Select Add Network and then Custom Network. Here, you will enter the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and Block Explorer URL. Double-check each field for accuracy. For example, the chain ID will be a specific number, not text. This ensures your wallet can properly interact with the Etherscan blockchain. Once you've added the Etherscan network, select it from the network drop-down in MetaMask. Your wallet should now display your Etherscan assets, if any, or show a zero balance if it's a new connection. You can then navigate to any Etherscan decentralized application. Your MetaMask wallet will prompt you to connect, allowing you to sign transactions and interact with the platform securely. It's that simple to start using Etherscan. If you encounter any issues, first re-verify all the network details you entered. A single incorrect character can prevent a successful connection. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve unexpected problems. Also, ensure your MetaMask is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and security. Remember, a smooth connection makes for a better experience. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab some Little Trees black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.